Hi. I didn't really know what I wanted to do for my first video, so I don't know what to do with my hand. So I just thought that I would maybe record myself drawing something, designing a sticker, and that maybe, I don't know, hopefully it'll be some kind of good, maybe study ambience or just regular ambience for someone out there. So, I hope you enjoy.
Hey, it's starting. Yeah, come on. What a perfect afternoon to listen to my grandpop's uke. You know I never got to hear him play, but he'd be glad to see it put to use. I wonder if he hears these strings. I wonder if he hears these tunes. You know Nan is lovely as can be. You sure know how to pick a view. Oh, 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 oh. Man, it's such a perfect day. He wouldn't want it any other way. He'd be sipping on some sweet iced tea and probably thinking of a new story. The more I get to know your girl, the more I get she misses you. But she would never change her mind. She'd carry it again for you. I woke up thankful today, thankful for me, thankful for the good vibes flowing in my veins, thankful for peace in the air that I breathe, thankful God smiles when he sees you and me. I woke up thankful today, thankful for me, thankful for the good vibes flowing in my veins, thankful for peace in the air that I breathe, thankful God smiles when he sees you and me. Oh, when he sees you again, 'cause he sees you again. Come in, 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 come in. I know you've been in a hurry. Don't forget this is a journey. Close them eyes and don't you worry. Sunday is coming. Voices got you messed up. They don't want you with your chest up. Close them eyes and don't you worry. Sunday is coming. Come in, 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 come in. I know you've been looking lowly. They all left you feeling lonely. Close them eyes and don't you worry. Sunday is coming. A mind that always stresses. Can't forget about your messes. Close them eyes and don't you worry. Sunday is coming. Come in, 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 come in. If they ever found a crack and looked inside, what would they say? Voices telling you to stay this way. Why don't you just take a break and contemplate if this is fake? And be honest with yourself, with yourself. Wait. Be honest with yourself, with yourself. Do you really wanna follow what they say? Is that pressure leaving diamonds in your head? As you look up at the stars, how they never cease to shine. Let them all remind you that your light is brighter if you're just be honest with yourself, with yourself. Be honest with yourself, with yourself. Hey, one day I know I'ma wake up and see the kingdom gates. No recollection of sorrow, no more pain on my face. Hey, my mom and dad will be waiting, and all my siblings too, including my older brother. We never even knew. So until that day I'm chilling, living like it's okay, spreading this love I was giving and giving honestly. Be honest with yourself. cinema, summer poolside, at a Wi-Fi, get my mind right, hold tight, all of my time like a lifeline. I know every day won't be the same, so I'm planning on my roots and preparing for the rain. Cause this a feeling that I never had, roller coasting in and out of that. Even if I never get it back, I'ma give you all I have. Cause this a feeling that I never had, roller coasting in and out of that. Even if I never get it back, I'ma give you all I have. Might just put you on a blowback, better than Kodak, you already know that. Reaping so that, never gonna go back. I don't wanna go act, let me do my own thing. Don't need a magazine, I got me and my team, making beats while I sing. I ain't even got my check, I do it cause I'm loving it. Hope I make my mama proud, even when I'm not around. Pray my people reach the stars, and don't look back while passing Mars. Keep the music close to heart, see it through, don't play the part. Cause this a feeling that I never had, roller coasting in and out of that. Even if I never get it back, I'ma give you all I have. Cause this a feeling that I never had, roller coasting in and out of that. Even if I never get it back, I'ma give you all I have.
Done with my drawing. I really like how it came out. No, there. I like how it came out. If you enjoyed this little, I don't know, vlog, vibe, drawing video, then subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.